Welcome to your 10-minute relaxation sound bath. Begin by laying down in a comfortable position. Let's start with a few deep breaths. Take a deep inhale through the nose, filling yourself up, and exhaling, letting it go. Again, breathing in through the nose, filling up the heart space, and exhale, letting it go. One more time, deep breath in through the nose, filling up the heart, letting the belly expand. And exhaling, letting it go. You can place one hand on your heart and one hand just below your belly button. Noticing how your body is feeling today. Are you holding any spots of tension? Are you feeling anxious? Or perhaps you're happy or sad? Whatever you're feeling, just know that it is okay. All of your feelings are valid. Let's check in with the body and begin relaxing all of our muscles. Allow your arms to drop heavy by your sides with either the palms up or facing down. Allow the eyelids to be heavy and light. Soften the space between the brows at the third eye. And notice if you're holding any spots of tension in the face, including the cheeks, the jaw, or around your temples. Allow the tongue to drop from the roof of the mouth. And allow your neck and your throat to soften. Thinking of the back of the head and the back of the neck getting heavier into the earth. Softening through the back body. The shoulders to fall even deeper away from the ears. rolling down into the earth so that the chest can expand. Soften the heart space and allow your breath to flow naturally. Let your belly rise and fall with each breath. Let your arms be heavy, sinking deep into your mat, into the earth, and grounding you down. Focusing on the pelvis now, allow your hips to relax into your hip flexors, the crease of the front of your hips. Allow those muscles to soften. Imagining that the root of your spine, your tailbone, is growing roots deep down into the earth. Allow the legs to become heavy, releasing any tension you might be holding in your quadriceps or your feet or your toes. And now I want you to imagine a ray of light, beautiful white light that is washing over you, seeping deep into your pores and into your cells through the crown of your head. And this white light is illuminating your entire body, filling you up all the way from the crown into the heart space, into your belly, and deep down into your toes. And that white light is expanding beyond your body, bathing you in this white light, and allowing yourself this moment of peace, this moment of relaxation. And know that you can always come back to this feeling of peace. Taking a few more breaths before we close out our practice. Deep inhales through the nose, filling up the body with that white light. Exhaling, letting it go. One deep breath in. And exhaling, letting it go. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.